Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead that is again responding to emails and chat. Today is just non-phone day. I promise for those of you who are looking for regular customer service on the phone, I will have some coming for you this week. But real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and please remember that sharing is always caring. If you know somebody who could benefit from these, please share with them. Today's job is from the company Squarespace. Now, Squarespace has 428 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. We may have seen advertisements for them on YouTube before. They are a platform where you can build your own website and run your business. They are looking for a customer support associate in the central time zones. This is going to be United States only. Now, their customer support is non-phone. They're looking for somebody to start February 5th of 2024. So you've got time to get those applications in. You've got to be able to work those Central Standard Time Zone hours. So if you're outside of that time zone, convert your hours to see if that'll work for you. But you're basically going to be doing customer support for their website building products, responding to customer submitted live chats and email in a timely manner. You're going to be working queue-based work, so typing work is going to account for 90% of the job. Live chat is going to be their primary channel for support for this role. You're going to troubleshoot and guide customers through questions and issues with their account, billing, or other transactional inquiries. Staying up to date on all new products, features, and improvements, and identifying isolated customer experiences and escalating any bad customer experiences up to make sure they are taken care of. Now, they're only looking for somebody who's 1 year of a customer service experience, like retail, hospitality, or online support. You don't have to have a college degree, but they do want somebody who work full-time, 40 hours, and it doesn't mind working weekends and holidays. You've got to have great grammar and spelling. You've got to be a problem solver, and you've got to have dependable Wi-Fi since you'll be working remotely from home. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $36,500 a year all the way up to $41,700 a year, and they do offer a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, paid time off, 401k. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.